So half an hour ago, WWDC just ended. Apple introduced brand new iOS 27, macOS 27, and basically all other OS 27. But today, we're interested about iOS 27. I'm going to show you how to install it. The entire theme was improved performance, improved everything. So we'll see how much of that is true on this phone right here. This is a developer beta, so it's not really available in the update section. You have to do a little bit extra steps to actually get that feature into the settings app, so I'm going to show you how to do it. I also want to show you how to downgrade back to iOS 26 because, well, it's going to be buggy, there's going to be overheating, there's going to be stuff crashing, you know, it's a developer beta. So what you're going to need to do is to go to the App Store and get yourself the Apple developer app. Once you download it, you can just launch it like so and go to account. And you're gonna need to sign in with your Apple ID. Here you can choose either your phone's existing iCloud account or you can make a new one. I'm just gonna use mine. Come on, does anybody ever read these? I don't. Yep. Or you can just use a browser to go to this website, beta.apple.com, and sign up for the developer beta program. And that's pretty much it. So when you sign in, go back home, settings, and tap on beta updates and iOS 27 developer beta. Tim Cook is watching you. Once that's done, you can go back and there you go. Get iOS 27 beta option. One thing, in order to be able to downgrade back, you're gonna need to make a backup first. So if you got a lot of storage on iCloud Drive, you can use iCloud backup. You can also do iTunes backup on your computer. But today I'm gonna use the sponsor of this segment, which is ReiBoot. It's really an all-in-one place for iPhone backups, restores, and all that great stuff. ReiBoot also automatically detects and repairs the iOS system security, and it can fix 150 iOS system software issues, including boot loops, black screens, frozen screens, and all that sort of stuff. So click the link in the below to download it and try it for yourself. It's a great alternative to iTunes, and let me demonstrate how to do it right now. So we're gonna need a cable, so USB-C to Lightning, plug in your phone, and then basically do a backup. So do a data backup, start backup, and let's go. We're gonna need to input the passcode. There you go. My very secure passcode. Keep in mind that you have to back up the data before updating to iOS 27, because if you do the backup after the update, you won't be able to restore it when you go back to iOS 26. So the data backup is complete. We can now install iOS 27. About 5 gigabytes. I have about 59 gigabyte left, and I want to test how much free storage I'll have after installing the iOS 27. So let's actually install it right now. 13 minutes, not bad at all. I wonder if this phone got the update. Ah, come on, show me iOS 27. I want it so bad. Tim Cook spying on us again. What is iOS 27?
Sorry, I didn't quite catch that.
I don't think this phone got the new Siri update. Almost done. Look at that tiny spot that needs to fill up. Then you get this message. You can tap on install now, or we can do it later. But yeah, it's gonna do it automatically. It's shut down. Let's give it a bit. There we go. Give it some time, maybe like 5 or 10 minutes, and it should be done. And it just booted up the beautiful hello screen. Did you see that wallpaper change? That was a huge bug. Let's swipe up. Oh, look at the lag. Oh, and there we go. Oh, wow, look at the new icons. The phone's heating up so bad right now, but I guess that's normal. I want to test one thing. Do we get the new Siri? The answer is no. No, we didn't. 27.0. Bro, that is a nice day one bug. Parts and service history. Look at that. They forgot to fix this, or maybe this is just a bug. I don't know, but he actually updated this battery icon, and storage is reduced by 4 gigabytes. So instead of having 59 gigs, I got 55 now. Apparently we should have a new liquid glass slider. So display and brightness. Where is the what about appearance? Oh, all right, liquid glass. Oh, look at that. Is that Apple Park? Yep, Apple Park there. Can we make it clear? I like clear. Oh, wow, yeah, this is the best part. Look how beautiful that looks. Yep, I absolutely love this. I don't think this has changed, but wow, even the clock. This thing is really good. I love the new look. Actually, we should try the clear icons because that is gonna look so good with these. Clear. Oh yeah. Previously, it just looked frosted. But wow, this is just so good. Let's make it dark. Not that different. I like the default one better. Context menus stayed the same. The specular highlights also look pretty good, I guess. I don't see them moving at all. My battery is not gonna like this update. Did it get the new wallpapers? Because we should, because someone on my Discord server is actually sending them. Let me actually check that. Plus, iOS 27. Oh, we can actually customize its colors. That is a really nice touch. Oh, you can't choose two colors at the same time. That's a bummer. And there's a button that matches your device color. So if this phone was basically like the pink or the purple iPhone 14, it would get the purple one. But yeah, I'd rather have it like blue. Doesn't have any movements. It does. Look at that. Has a nice transition. What about when we unlock it? Absolutely no movement when unlocking. But the new icons look so great. Look at that maps icon. I want to do a little tech talk smoothness test before we downgrade back. That's pretty good. It's pretty smooth. I bet you this guy can't do it. Alright, now let's downgrade to iOS 26. So we can plug in again and basically do a downgrade here. So choose downgrade. As you can see, it says data loss. That's why we did a backup. So let's do downgrade. And I'm gonna go with 26.6. So let's go ahead and download it. It's gonna download the file for me and then restore it to my iPhone. Let's give it some time. Right, and we get this message here. We're gonna allow it, and the phone's in recovery mode. It's gonna restore to iOS 26 now. It's actually doing really fast. And one of the features of ReiBoot is actually it's really fast. So that the estimated time is 5.5 minutes. So that's a pretty good sign. The phone is almost finished here. And yeah, there's the chime. And there we go. It's locked to my iCloud, but we can just take care of that. Your phone is completely empty. There's nothing here. Go to photos, there's nothing. So put your phone somewhere like this, and then done, and do a data restore from ReiBoot. Data restore. You may have to do data authorizations. It's needed to find the backup on your computer. All right, so I'm gonna choose the backup that I have here, and I'm gonna restore it to my device. As you can see, okay. It might ask for the password, and if it does, you just type 1, because that's the encryption password that the ReiBoot said. Right? It's been restored, and the phone's gonna do one more thing of the loading bar, and we should get all the data with all the apps, all the wallpapers, all the photos, videos just back to this phone, which is a really amazing feature. It might ask you for the Apple account verification, so you can just go to settings and input your password, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. If I go in there, all my photos are there. We have iOS 26.6 back, 26.6. Yeah, that's how you do it the ReiBoot way. Thanks for watching. Thanks for ReiBoot for sponsoring this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. I don't think this phone got the new Siri update.
I seem to be having trouble hearing you. Sorry about that.